Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to delete uh, application on MacBook Pro. For that, you can just go to the Finder and go to Applications and search for application you wanna delete. I wanna delete what's it for now. And just select applications. There you go, and select it and move to the bin. So we're gonna have to close this thing first. We can simply force to quit. So it's closed. And you're gonna need your password, laptop password. There we go. And make sure you empty the bin. And we successfully deleted the WhatsApp or any application you can delete like this. If you have any questions, comment down. I'll be happy to answer every single questions. And thanks guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Yeah, thank you. Catch you later. Bye. Cheers.